I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
This moment in history, right? There's a very famous saying, right? Which is decades, nothing happens, and in a year, decades happen. Right. And we're just living through that right now. I think in really the election of Donald Trump set, an event, right? Whether you agree with the guy or not, it just ripped the Band-Aid off. And things have been essentially, in terms of the media, the legacy machine, the establishment, the institutions, they're crumbling before our eyes, right? The legitimacy of them. But I'll tell you one thing, right? In this world of darkness and lies and madness, there is one thing that is honest. There is one thing that is true. There's one thing that gives me hope for the future, and that is Bitcoin. And it doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter where you're located. It doesn't matter whether you're in a communist country. It doesn't matter whether you're in North Korea, Cuba, whatever. If you have access to the internet, you could potentially download a Bitcoin wallet, and you now have private property. And I think that is incredibly hopeful for the future. But I think that there are so many people still stuck in this nihilistic, depressive type mindset because their unit of account is still fiat. It's this broken money. And I think that as, time goes by, as more people, you start transitioning to a Bitcoin standard, right? I think that, again, the old saying, you don't change Bitcoin, Bitcoin changes you. And I'm very hopeful for that future. And, I fight for it. Again, it's not a violent war. It's not a physical war, but I fight for it every single day. I'm in the trenches, trying to get to that future, because I think that it really fix the money, fix the world.